All right, this is the tutorial to add sounds and how to make your game over sound play over and over again. So first you need to go to PowerPoint and go to File, Open, Desktop, go to your game, and we are going to be on the Game Over slide. Now on the weekly plans, there is a link for a free sounds website, and I have included an email and password for you to use for that account. You can use mine. So that website looks like this. You're going to go to login. I can just copy my email, and the password is Hornets, lowercase 23. Log in. So let's say I'm going to type game over, and you have to make sure you choose a sound that is not very long. So this one's 4.7, a little long. 2.0 is good. 34 seconds is way too long. So to preview your sound, click that, and let's say I want to use this one, so I'm going to click it. Click download sound, and it's going to download in your downloads folder. And while I'm here, I'm going to search for a you win sound. So this one's a little long, 4 seconds, but I'm going to use it. So I'm going to download it as well. So I got both my sounds. So I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. On my game over slide, I'm going to go to insert, and right here, audio, you'll click on the speaker. And again, they're going to be saved in downloads. So I'm going to choose the one that's game over, insert it, and it inserts this little sound icon. Up here, there's 2 tabs, audio tools, format, and playback. I'm going to click playback. I'm going to check hide during show and start automatically. So when I run my slideshow,
game over.
It works. So I'm going to do the same thing for you win. So insert, audio, the speaker, downloads, you win, drag it to the bottom right, audio tools, playback, hide during show, start automatically. So now my last question, when they would get it right, it would
You win.
do that. Now we only need the you win sound to play once. So we don't have to do anything to it. It's good. However, if I go to this one and I get it wrong,
game over,
and I try again, it doesn't play again. So I'm going to show you a trick on how to get that to work over and over again so they don't have to X out of the game and go back. So on slide 13 here, or whichever number your game over slide is, you're going to right click and duplicate slide. And then I'm going to go to the first game over slide. I'm going to delete my sound. And I'm going to go to transitions. And so all of our buttons that when we lose are all linked to this slide. So we want it to go here for a split second and then go to slide 14. So over here on advanced slide, I'm going to uncheck on mouse click and check after and leave it to 0. So again, make sure only after is checked. So now, if I run my slideshow and pick the wrong answer,
game
it plays
over.
once. If I try again,
Game
it will keep
over.
playing over and over again. So you need to make sure you have a sound on the second game over slide and then just one on you win, and that is it.